Welcome to Recreation USA. Let's have a quick look at the brand new 2026 Forest River Solaire 2580RBSS. Rear full bath, queen bed, hidden pantry, dual AC comfort system, power stabilizer jacks. The ultimate residential style layout. Only at the East Coast's #1 dealer. Searching for a 2026 Forest River Solaire 2580RBSS in South Carolina or anywhere across the Southeast. This is the high-end residential setup you have been waiting for. Featuring a large slide-out that expands your living and kitchen area, this trailer provides the perfect blend of comfort and utility. Because we order custom elite-spec inventory, this unit comes fully upgraded with a second 15,000 BTU air conditioner, power stabilizer jacks, and slide toppers to eliminate setup stress entirely. Make this camper yours today. Call 843-215-1800